Hi all, Sandy here. Hope you're doing fine. Today I'm going to show you my current Longchamp pouch with handle collection and why I won't buy them anymore. Yes. So first up is this beautiful Cypress color from the original Le Pliage collection. I have added grommets and a strap. And I always love to dress up these pouches with charms and scarves. This has a light gray interior. I know the interior color matters to some people, so I just want to show you the colors. The Cypress color is actually really beautiful. It will go so well on a neutral colored outfit. I love pairing it with this leather strap and this particular back scarf. If you're new to my channel and you want to see how you can add grommets, I have linked a video up here on the screen and down below in the description box. Next up, we have one of my faves, and that is the paper color. The paper color is so gorgeous. If you don't have a paper color piece in your collection yet, you have to get it. You won't regret it. The combination of the brown leather and then the light colored canvas is absolutely stunning, and it will go well with any outfit basically. I've paired it with a camellia charm and sort of a Chanel-esque chain. The paper color does have a white interior. I know, white interior in a handbag. What to say? I don't know. But overall, beautiful color, gorgeous color. I would highly recommend. As you can tell, it looks so gorgeous. Really, really nice. But speaking of white interior, I do have a little project coming up. I have found a Longchamp pouch with handle with white interior, and it is the candy pink. Yay! I have found this pre-loved, obviously, and I saw that it had some stains on the inside, and I thought that is perfect because then I'm going to experiment a bit with how you can clean up white interior, and I want to share that with you, of course, because I know it is a concern to some. So definitely look out for that video. Also, I have tried to add like these little leather tabs on this particular pouch instead of adding the grommets, because I've seen a lot of people using these leather tabs, and I just want to see how that wears, how that feels versus the grommets. So I will also show you a comparison in an upcoming video as well. Now, this is the beautiful, honestly, I still don't know. When I ordered this pouch, it was described as navy on the website, but on my receipt, it was described as marine. So it is marine or navy, I'm not sure, but I absolutely love it. Black interior, but this is also one of my faves. So the paper color and this blue color are my absolute faves. I would say I use this pouch the most. I love to pair it with a leather strap or this canvas woven strap on a short setting. Look how nice. I love using this while running errands. I don't even take it off when I hop into the car. It's just so easy. I love these pouches so much. Here we have the beautiful red color, and this will be the last time you will see this one because I have sold this already. Yes, I am slimming down my little pouch collection because I just don't use them that much anymore. And the reason is that I now have okay, it sounds so silly, but I now have two large iPhones, right? Like before I had a small and a large iPhone, and all my essentials would fit into these pouches with those two phones and everything else that I need. But now with these two large phones, it just doesn't fit as well as before. You can imagine these pouches are already small, so it does make a difference if something like a phone is now slightly bigger. And therefore I noticed that as of lately I've been reaching for my top handle, Le Pliage top handle size small, much more. and my energy bags, of course. So I thought, well, if I don't use them that often or not at all anymore, it's like some colors like the red and the Cypress I just don't use. I do love this city pouch a lot still, this black one, even though it holds even less than the original pouches. Please check my other video if you want to see more about that, but I still like that one a lot for like a casual night out or something like that. So I will keep the city pouch in black, the paper color and the navy color, and the rest will leave my collection, and that's okay because someone else will enjoy them. Anyway, this was my rant for today. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. Please subscribe for my upcoming videos. I do have some interesting videos coming up, as I said before, and thanks for watching.